An abortion law passed 3 years ago here in Indiana is now allowed to go into effect. A federal judge has lifted the injunction on this law restricting abortions in the second trimester of pregnancy.
Rich Nye is here to explain what it means for abortion access and the reaction from both sides of the debate. And Rich, this ruling comes before the special session later this month to consider further abortion restrictions.
Yeah, both sides say this is just the beginning. So U.S. District Judge Sarah Evans Barker ruled that since Roe v. Wade was overturned, there were no legal grounds to stop the Indiana law, which now largely bans dilation and evacuation second trimester abortions. Indiana Attorney General Todd Rokita filed the motion to lift the injunction on the Indiana law passed in 2019 that bans so-called dismemberment abortions, except when the mother faces a serious health risk. Rokita celebrated with a statement that begins, "The court's ruling vacating its earlier injunction that permitted this gruesome procedure to continue is an exciting battle victory in our war to defend the unborn and protect women." Dr. Caitlin Bernard from the IU School of Medicine is the abortion provider who won the injunction to stop the law 3 years ago. She says second trimester dilution and evacuation abortions are a very small percentage, but are critical care for women who need them.
It creates significant difficulties for patients needing abortion care in the second trimester that is medically unnecessary. So there is no medical evidence for the basis for a law such as this, and it creates undue burden on the patients to receive the care that they need.
A doctor violating the law could face a felony charge, punishable by up to 6 years in prison. Indiana Right to Life released a statement that concludes, "This law reflects the will of the people, underscoring the love and compassion of Hoosiers across the state and their belief that everyone deserves to be born."
Pro-choice, united!
Pro-choice protesters rallied at the State House this week to demand abortion access.
We have significant public support, but I honestly don't know that it will be enough to overcome the extreme views of the legislature and the actions that they're planning to take in the special session.
And that special session for Indiana state lawmakers about abortion regulations and tax refunds is scheduled for Tuesday, July 26. It was originally slated to begin earlier this week, but was pushed back after Roe v. Wade was overturned. Republicans have not said yet what new abortion restrictions they will propose.